edition of monthly Drone News Express from Drone Helpline. So for this month, the top 20 news are: Number 1. As per the reports on October 2nd, Phase 1 will be launched on the Digital Sky platform, which will bring functionalities such as airspace management, post-flight data submission and other features to the platform. Number 2. Till date, DGCA has given approval to 11 RPTOs for providing drone pilot training, out of which Bombay Flying Club becomes the first RPTO of India approved by DGCA, followed by Pioneer Flying Club, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana State Aviation Academy, Hyderabad, Government Aviation Training Institute, Bhubaneswar, Orient Flight Aviation Academy, Chennai, Ambition Flying Club Private Limited, Aligarh, Asia Pacific Flight Training School, Hyderabad, Falcon Aviation Academy, Uttar Pradesh, Alchemist Aviation, Jamshedpur, Flytech, Telangana, Wings Aviation, Telangana. DGCA has given approvals to 7 more consortiums for BVLOS trials, and now a total number of 20 consortiums has got approval for carrying out the BVLOS trials. Number 4. All the green zones were made live on 4th of July, and on 15th of August, DGCA has further opened up the yellow zones, thus permitting all the NPNT compliant drones to fly over almost 70% of the country's landmass, which has come into effect and is proposed to be a great work by teams from DGCA, AAI, IAF, MHA, MOD, security agencies, Ministry of Civil Aviation and the system integrator HTML from Bangalore. Number 5. 4 more companies added themselves to the NPNT compliant drone family. Number A. CBAI Technologies for Model V, Asteria Aerospace for A400, Hubble Fly Technologies for Star Age, and Noctua DS from Detect Technologies was a new addition. Number 6. Conditional exemptions has been provided to the government of Haryana for carrying out anti-locust operations on July 29. Number 7. On August 17, 2020, National Insurance Company has issued the country's first beyond visual line of sight BVLOS drone insurance coverage to Asteria Aerospace. National Insurance is providing the coverage through its insurance brokers using deep technology startup Tropco's platform. Insurance industry's next game changer, ICICI Lombard, launched a comprehensive drone cover that will help the drone technologies to shape the insurance claim settlement in future. Number 9. India will be getting benefit from the relaxation of export restriction by US on unmanned drones. Number 10. Nokia partners with IISC to develop a center of excellence to build solutions for the applications of 5G and drones in agriculture and emergency management. Number 11. The government is planning to allocate 500 crores under the Disha scheme to promote indigenous research and development of UAVs. They are also giving financial support to the Indian startups. Number 12. For clearance of investment proposal and prompt assistance, Investment Clearance Cell (ICC) has been set by Ministry of Civil Aviation, which is being chaired by Shri Ambar Dubey, the Joint Secretary of MOCA. Number 13. AirMap, who is considered to be one of the global leading UTM platform provider, has been selected by MOCA to provide UTM service during the nation's first BVLOS trials. Number 14. For UAS traffic management, Unify NV has entered into an agreement with Terra Drone India Private Limited for facilitating the safe integration of UAS system in the Indian aerospace. Number 15. DGCA under Ministry of Civil Aviation are in talks with Quality Council of India to come up with the certification bodies that will help to reduce pressure on DGCA officials, and these qualification bodies will work as an SOP and will also qualify the drones and people. Number 16. As per the recent government release, 20,600 DAN has been registered, and DGCA is expecting to cover up 1 lakh of DAN within December 2020. Number 17. Ministry of Agriculture, Survey of India, Maharashtra Transco, Indian Oil has received fast-track approvals for drone operation. Number 18. India gets new drone named Bharat for accurate surveillance along China border, developed by Chandigarh-based laboratory of DRDO. Omnipace Robot Technologies Private Limited gets DGCA approval to start e-commerce drone delivery BVLOS trials, which they have been proposed to start from September 1. Number 20. Assam's Chief Minister Shri Sarbananda Sonowal, along with the State Forest Department, Government of Assam, has developed 3 drones with assistance from northeastern-based startup Drone Lab for immediate deployment of the system in the flood-affected Kaziranga National Park and other such flood-affected forest areas to improve the team's ability to pinpoint affected people and animals and give them support quickly. So friends, that's all we have for this month. If you have liked our video, please do subscribe to Drone Helpline channel and do not forget to like and share our video. Thank you.